Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to send money from PayPal to Kenya in 2025, you're in the right spot. With changing regulations and new features, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. First things first, make sure your PayPal account is up to date. In 2025, PayPal might have enhanced security measures, so verify your identity if prompted. This could include two-factor authentication or updated KYC requirements to comply with international standards. Now, let's get into the steps. Start by logging into your PayPal account on a secure device. Once you're in, head to the Send and Request section. Before you proceed, check for any 2025 specific updates. PayPal has been rolling out faster transfers and lower fees for certain regions, including Africa. Next, you'll need to add or select your funding source, like a bank account or credit card. Remember, exchange rates can fluctuate, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. When you're ready, enter the recipient's email or phone number linked to their PayPal account in Kenya. If they don't have one, you might need to use a service like Zoom, which is integrated with PayPal for international transfers. Input the amount you want to send, review any fees. Expect around 2 to 5% plus a fixed charge, and confirm the currency conversion from USD or your local currency to Kenyan shillings. Hit send, and you'll get a confirmation email. Pro tip: always double-check the details to prevent errors, and consider using PayPal's tracking feature to monitor the transfer. In 2025, look out for eco-friendly options or partnerships with local banks in Kenya for even smoother transactions. That's it, sending money has never been easier. If you follow these steps, you'll have your funds there in no time. If you run into any issues, PayPal's support is top-notch. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.